Hi guys, I wanted to do a little video on this Frigidaire. It's pretty new, but the igniter already went out. And I want to show you guys where the igniter was, just in case. Well, you can always go on YouTube and figure out how to remove the door. That's not an issue. Good thing was I didn't have to pull out the broiler here. That wasn't an issue. All of the removal of the parts is pretty standard. You'll need sockets. These sockets here, I believe let's see, this is a 1/4 here. Okay, just for the little sockets in the inside the oven. 3/8 here of Phillips, small Phillips, just to remove this little cover here that's being used as like a little cover for the connector for the igniter. So here's the igniter. It's in good shape, as you can see. One little sign to let you know that it's going out. You turn on the oven like you normally would. It usually, comes right on. Second to the last time we tried to use the oven, it took a while for the oven to actually turn on. And then the last time we tried to use it, it just wouldn't come on. Now, let you know if you got gas, the actual range, the stove itself comes on, top part, the ranges, they come on, no problem. So it was getting gas. So the igniter is the issue, and that's going to be replaced. But I just wanted to show you guys how it's connected. It's not, you don't have to go in the back of the stove and take off anything. That's the good thing about it. So again, you can go on YouTube and figure out how to remove the door. There's some tabs. There's a tab here that you pull down, one here that you pull down, then you lift the door up and pull it out. So that's not an issue. You don't have to remove this. There's this grate here. This is what you have to remove to get to the igniter. Just one little bolt on it. I'll make sure you keep the screws close. I kept them all in here. This is all the stuff I removed. And you'll also have to remove, let's see, that's one part. You have to remove this. You have to remove this first. And it has 2 long screws. But you use this to get to this, okay? And then once you remove that, then you can get to the igniter. And it's not a real problem. It's just that when you see this connecting part is connected to, it's connected here and here, okay? That comes out. Just, put a little muscle into it. It's not a problem. Here, I don't know, I'm losing light here, but this looks like a little sheet metal box. It's only held down by one little Phillips screw. Get a Phillips screw, remove it. Like I did, you can remove it. And then this is going to be connected here. There's the connector, the connection right there. And you just push the tab down, pull it out. And that's it as far as getting to that. And it's not that hard. You do yourself a favor, check your light to see if it works. If it doesn't, just pull it out and replace the bulb. But again, it's not to save yourself maybe anywhere from 150 to 300 bucks by just doing that little small job yourself. It's not a big job. It might take maybe, I don't know, if you got the tools. It took me a little longer because I had to go into the garage and get the my socket set that I keep for my car. Other than that, I'll do maybe a little follow-up video to show you the outcome. All right, thanks a lot.